This is episode 14 of me trying every single flavor of Bulldog ramen.
For today's episode, we're trying the cheese flavor.
So this is the cheese Bulldog ramen with 2 eggs. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The perfect bite. I'm not really blown away by this one because I'm not really tasting a lot of cheese. It kind of just tastes like the original Bulldog. It's still good, I just don't taste any cheese, so why would I have this when I could just have the original? Ugh, I love eggs. This one's not my favorite. Now that I tried 14 flavors, here are my rankings.